Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging, I guess you would say. I've got a canvas from Amazon that I purchased, and I've already took it out of the bag. Actually, I took it out of the box that it came in and then took it out of the bag. So, yeah. All right, tongue-tied. All right, so before I show you what I got, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And, yeah, I want to thank y'all for watching my videos, for commenting, for, any likes that you're giving me. I appreciate it completely. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do. I try to do a video every single day. You never know what time it's going to pop up during the day, but I do try to do a video every day. So with that being said, let's see what I got. Y'all, my fur babies are under the desk. Ow. Biting my feet. So that's why I'm shaking, is because I'm trying to get my foot away from them. They're playing with a bone. Oh, I apologize for all of the shaky. Okay, maybe they'll chill out here in just a second. All right, so this toolkit, this is a pretty good toolkit. You get a clear pen, but it has the four-placer that is the solid white thin four-placer. Those are my favorite. You get the white tray. It's not, nope, it's not the Mosfa boat, but it is a white tray with a spout. You get a blue squishy, you get the pink wax, and you get some baggies. And that's it. No other placer. Alright, so here are the drills. Now this is a round poured glue full diamond painting. And it has the DMCs on the diamond, or on the drills, the bag of drills. Oh my goodness. Buster, stop it. Lord. Alright, so let's see. How long is this train? This train. Sorry about the noise. If y'all don't like it, then I'm sorry. Sorry about the dogs. I don't know why I'm apologizing. So, alright, anyway, we have got some grays, browns, blues, and reds. Some different shades of red. Some blues, browns. Y'all can see what colors these are. And they look pretty good, too. And I don't see any static. I don't really have any issues. I've got 4 bags of 310s. But I don't ever have any issues with these bags of drills. I really don't. Alright, so which way am I going to go? I don't know. So here's greens. Y'all, when I seen this canvas, I was really shocked, and I had to look twice. Alright, so we have got 42 colors. Yeah, 42 colors, I'm assuming. Alright, I'm going to pause, and I'm going to get on to my fur babies, because they are just attacking my feet, and put these back in the bag. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And they went to the living room. So, alright. So, what did I get, y'all? This is what I got. This is a Christmas canvas. Let me move them out of the way. And I hope I can get this all in the screen. So this is a 40 by 60, okay? And it has got 42 colors. It has a schematic on both sides, on the left and the right. There is the thumbnail, if you can see it. It is very sticky. So I just touched the corner, but it is very sticky. Buster. No. Ooh, he won't leave my socks alone. But yeah, it has got the DMC on the schematics. And we are working with letters, numbers, and symbols. And it is by Tiny Fun. By the company Tiny Fun on Amazon. And y'all, I gave $5.99 for this. And I think it's a regular $14.99. So, yeah, when I seen this, I grabbed it really quick. I think it's very cute. Of course, it looks better in the camera than what it does, even with it being a 40 by 60. Santa's face is a little weird looking on my end. It probably looks a lot better in the camera view, but he looks like he's got on a pair of red sunglasses, like John Lennon sunglasses. So, yeah, his face is a little weird, but he's got the big Christmas tree behind him. He's sitting in front of a picture window with red velvet curtains. He's got one of those great big rocking horses. He's got a dog. Or he's got a couple dogs. He's got one here and one here. And he's checking the list. He's got his bag of toys right here. He's got the fireplaces right here with stockings. And there's a fire. And then there's a teddy bear up here. And then we've got pictures on the walls. Then there's another house in the window. How many of you used to have one of those bouncy horses? Y'all remember what I'm talking about? Back years and years and years ago, they used to have those bouncy horses that was on springs. It was on this metal thing, and it was a plastic horse, and it had handles, and you sat on it, and it had springs in the front and springs in the back, and you'd bounce on it. I used to have one of those. I think everybody had one of those, or everybody knew somebody that had one of those. So yeah, that's what that puts me in mind of. But the drill field looks really good. So I don't have any issues with that. It's going to be a lot of confetti. But oh my God, $5.99? Y'all, I could not pass that up. Not for a 40 by 60. So I think this is very cute. I think it's going to look even better once I do it. So, and I think I'm going to try to start on this next month. Maybe. It just depends on how my PR packages go. Because I bought this myself. But I will put the link to this in my description box. And then that way y'all can go try to see I don't even know how much it was. I didn't look. Why am I not looking? I have done that on all 4 of my Amazon purchases. I didn't even go back and look to see how much they were before I started doing my video. So, but yeah, I'll leave the link in my description box, and then y'all can go and see if it's the same price, if it's cheaper, if they've popped the price back up. So, but yeah, I like this. I think it's very cute. And like I said, I think I'm going to do this one. I got all kinds I need to be doing because I'm going to be doing a lot of diamond paintings for Christmas gifts. And I really need to get started on them. So, all right, y'all. I know these have been just really short videos, but it is what it is. So be watching for a whip and chat. If you've gotten this far in the video, be watching for a whip and chat that I will be putting up within the next week or two about my 500 subscriber giveaway. Because I'm not real sure yet what I'm going to do, but I'm not going to tell you what I'm giving the winner. It'll be a surprise. So yeah, just be watching for my whip and chat that I'm going to be putting up for the details. So, all right, y'all. Until my next video, I hope you're all well. And please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Do all the YouTube-y things. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.